Hi friends, welcome to Durga Soft. My name is Ratan. We are discussing Python interview questions. Recently, guys, one of my friend is attending an interview. Too much experience, guy. It's almost 19 plus experience in the real time. How to get the predefined functions present in the specific data type? How to get the predefined functions are present in the data types like list, tuple, set, dict. Most frequently use these data types, right? List, set, tuple, dict. List, tuple, set, dict. How can we get the predefined method functions? In the list, we use the function like pop, remove, pop, remove, clear, copy, insert, append. These are all the functions, right? Yes or no? And the dictionary, we are using the keys, values, and items. Get these are all the functions. How can we get the functions are present in the module? Like data type. To get the functions, a very simple line we need to write print of, you can go for directory function. To get the predefined support, okay, to get the predefined, tell me guys, to get the predefined support, use what? To get the predefined support, tell me, to get the predefined support, use what? To get the predefined support, use what you can say, directory function, use the dir function, that's it. That's what, simply can write the print of dir of what, list, because dir of what, list, right? Then you will get the data present in the list. If you want, just let me check the API, online compiler, print of directory of list, right? Because print of directory of what, list. Internet disconnected, one second, the reply ID is there. Yes, just you can make the code like this. Run this code, print a directory list, right? This is the data present in the list. Yes, the data starting with the 2 underscore, ending with the 2 underscore, these are called magic functions. You able to see, right? Starting with 2 underscore, ending with 2 underscore, these are called magic functions. In these magic functions, after the magic function, these are the magic functions. Starting with the 2 underscores, ending with the 2 underscores is called magic functions. After the magic functions, we have the normal functions that we used. Append is there, clear is there, copy is there, count is there, extend is there, index, insert, pop, remove, reverse and sort. Like that, if you go for the tuple, I think this is, I can take the tuple here. The tuple, if you run this code, you will get the functions are present in the tuple here. Tuple, we have the data only count and index. Because in the tuple, we will not perform the operations. Yes, tuple, we will not perform the operations like insert, update, delete, right? Because tuple is what? Immutable data. I think these all are the magic functions now. These all are the magic functions. Starting with the 2 underscore, ending with the 2 underscore is called magic functions. After that, it's supporting only two functions, count and what? Index. Next one is what? Directory of set. Directory of set means what? If you run this code, you will get this all the data. Up to this one is a magic functions. After the magic functions, these are the normal functions, right? Add is there, clear is there, copy is there, e subset is there, e superset is there, pop is there, remove is there, update is there, union is there. These are the functions, right? Even dictionary also same thing. Simply directory of what? The corresponding data type name. So dict is the dict object, no? Just simply can run this code. Dict contains what? Up to this one is a magic functions. After that, you can go for the clear, copy, from keys, get, items, keys, pop item, set default, update and values. So we got the clarity that to check the predefined support, we are going for directory function. Because even this directory function, to get the module information also, to get the module information, use dir only. Guys, list, you can go for the tuple, list, tuple, set, dict is there, na? To get the module information also, you can go for the directory also. See, for example, I want to check the keyword module. Directory of what? Keyword module, then we need to import the module like keyword module. Then simply can run this code. See guys, this is the data present in the keyword module. Starting with the 2 underscore, ending with the 2 underscore is called magic functions. After the magic functions, we have the is keyword and kw list, right? Is keyword and what? Kw list, no? Like only these two are the functions are present in what? Keyword module. Guess you got the point or not? Yeah, this is the way some students are thinking as maybe you are using the list functions and tuple functions, right? We have to know how many functions are there in the list first of all. The interviewer asks the question like, what are the functions are there in the list? What are the functions are there in the tuple? How can you check that functions? Directory of list means you will get all the functions. Directory of tuple means you will get all the functions, right? Exactly. Think you got the clarity, right? Yes. So thank you guys. Meet in next video. We'll go for the question number. I think all the questions are important, right? Definitely all the questions are what? Important, right? Yeah. We'll go for the next question, guys. 21. Thank you. Bye.